Hi friends, now let us do a typical problem in clocks. Simple sum. At what time between 2 and 3 o'clock the hands of a clock are in the same straight line? Repeat. At what time between 2 and 3 o'clock the hands of a clock are in the same straight line? Since it is between 2 and 3 o'clock, make a figure of a clock at 2. At 2 o'clock, this is the position of the clock. Hour hand is at 2, minute hand is at 12. Now, we can divide the dial of the clock into 60 spaces. For convenience, we are calling them 60 spaces. So, the difference in the minute hand and hour hand is of 10 spaces. Now, try to think of circular race problems. Both the hands are moving at different speeds, but the minute hand is faster, so after some time it will cross the hour hand. This is what we have to find out, that when the minute hand will cross the hour hand. Let us see. The minute hand in 60 minutes or 1 hour goes 60 spaces, isn't it? The minute hand goes the whole circle, that is 60 spaces according to our definition in 60 minutes. The hour hand in 1 hour or 60 minutes just moves 5 spaces from 12 to 1 or 1 to 2 or 2 to 3 like that. So the ratio of the speed of minute and hour hand is 60:5 or 12:1. Now since both are moving, we have to see how much minute hand overtakes. The key word here is, operative word here is overtakes. So the minute hand overtakes the hour hand by 60 minus 5, 55 spaces in 60 minutes. In our question, how many spaces the minute hand to overtake the hour hand? 10 spaces. Minute hand has to overtake the hour hand by 10 spaces to be coincident. So if 55 spaces take 60 minutes, then 10 spaces will take, by unitary method, 60 by 55 into 10, that is 10 by 11 minutes. That means at 10 by 11 minutes past 2 o'clock, the two hands will be together. If you think logically also, at 2:10 or 10 past 2, minute hand will be at the position of the number 2, but our hand would have moved little further away. So we are looking at overtaking, that at not exactly 10 minutes past 2, but little more than that, the two hands will be together. Now the question is that the two hands have to be in the same straight line. So there is another position where the two hands are in the same straight line. Let's go back to our diagram. Now to be in the same straight line, the minute hand can be opposite to the hour hand also, like this. To be opposite to the hour hand, minute hand first overtakes 10 and then it covers half the dial, isn't it? To be opposite, it has to overtake another half the dial. Half the dial means from here to here, that is 30 spaces, it has to overtake. Again, operative word is overtake. So when the minute hand overtakes the hour hand by 10 plus 30 or 40 spaces, again they are together. These 40 spaces only for this particular problem. For other problems, the number of spaces will differ. So here, according to the position, 10 here and then 30, 40 spaces. So let's go back to the calculation. After overtaking 40 spaces, also they will be in the same straight line. Now minute hand overtakes the hour hand by 55 spaces in 60 minutes. So by 40 spaces in unitary method, 16 to 40 by 55, 43:7 by 11 minutes. That means at 43:7 by 11 minutes past 2 o'clock, the two hands will be together. I hope the answer is clear. Cheers.